Hello, my lovelies. It's Trisha Clark with Sparkle for its Paper Clips. And I've been working on the Aviary of Whispers journal. And I know I've done a few videos on it, but let's just walk through it from start to finish in terms of what I've done. It's done, and we've got a couple more things to slip into pockets. But other than that, this is the finale. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with all the leftovers. I'm going to have to go on a mass ephemera making spree of more specimen slides. I've been obsessed with the specimen slides. And I need to find, I think I hid the rest of the clasp from myself that I need to find. Now that I know how thick the book is, I can put on the rest of the clasp. But here we go. This is Aviary of Whispers. And I used a book from 1948. I was just in love with the cover and the leather, and it really is in great shape. And so I harvested all the pages and then put the bird image from the kit on the front and mounted it with some vintage applique, lace applique, and some fun layers here. It's going to have this snap closure once I get that backside put on there, and that will snap closed. But I wanted to make sure that I knew where to put it and how thick it was going to be. All right, as we open it up, we have a big side pocket here. And in here, I have this fun journal card, layered papers, bunch of scraps. And then we get into April's gorgeous images and some triple dyed papers from Debbie Epps. And this lovely pocket. We've got a big pocket here with a big dyed index card for journaling space on the front and the back. Whoop. And it is just clipped in with this fun mushroom paper clip. And in there is going to go this gorgeous bird specimen card. And that's just going to slide right in here. And then we have an old vintage rook playing card that's been altered in one of the pockets. And I think we will put this little guy in here as well. Ooh, you know what else? No, see, now I'm having all sorts of ideas. I don't think I want to bulk that one up. Then we have this pretty little fairy girl in here. And a cute little tag from my stash. And the button fits down nicely in there. Okay. We've got some vintage music paper, and then we have more of April's images. This is a dictation book page with a big bird sticker and a couple of fun bird tags stuck in there. I don't do a lot of toppers on my tags because I don't want to add all the bulk. Sometimes I don't, but I'm limited with the spine in this book. This is one of my Gelli prints with some stencils. A book page from Secrets of the Devon Wood that I left for journaling. Field Notes Vibes book. More Gelli prints. Another Secret of Devon Wood page. And on the back here, I've done a specimen card on an index card. And that is a belly band for this layered journaling card. We have some French onion skin paper for crinkle and texture. And these are some gorgeous vintage bird portraits I found in a flea market, and I thought they were perfect for this. Some vintage ledger, leaving that with plenty of journaling space. This is a fun flip out that I've decorated and sewn with some fabric scraps, left journaling space, but made it a pocket. And then this lovely tag is made from wallpaper on some straw paper with a fabric cluster. To add some different colors and fabrics, and I loved tying this in. This is a belly band, but it's glued in the middle to create two pockets with these two journaling cards. These are both from April's kit. Dyed paper. I love the bluebird, the blue eggs. They're so pretty. Over here, we have a nice big cluster from my stash, and I've tucked a library card in there for journaling. And then this is a cute tag from I think this is from the freebies. And then with another journaling or library card in there for journaling, and just up into that tuck. This is a really fun, this is an envelope flip, but this is a full page sticker from not the botanist sticker book, but like Woodland Adventures or something. It had these full page stickers that I put on the front and the back of the envelope and created a flip. And then this gorgeous journal card in here. Oh, come on. And just a touch of vintage lace. And then that back side of that envelope, I glued in the middle, and we've got a couple of cards here, a little bit like a specimen card, almost to the birds. And then we have this belly band made from Seven Plaza's vintage photo, and it's vinyl sticker or transparent sticker paper that I put butterfly die cuts underneath. And then I have a Gelli printed guest check as a tag, and this is one of the pages from the kit, just shrunk to be 2 per page as a nice big journaling card. I thought it looked really nice with that and underneath the belly band. Other side of that vintage ledger, some more beautiful prints from April. And then these are, I did a video on 5 easy pockets, and these were the collage pockets that we made in that video. And just tucked a couple of, again, journal cards from the kit or pages that were printed 2 to a page. And then did some scrap fabric and then some old vintage green stamps on this library card as a journaling spot. And then up here, this is a journal card from the kit. And then just another, this was a Project Life card that I altered into a journal card. I have a slew of those. And this just goes to show you that things can have so many purposes. Don't think just about your stuff as your old scrapbook stash. Another page from Secret of the Devon Wood. Some more Gelli print diction papers. This is the big tall pocket that we did on the video, and I added some journaling strips here, a little bird in the bird cage, and then decorated a little bit. The paper was so beautiful itself, it didn't need much. And then decorated this vintage flashcard to go in the tall pocket. I thought the oranges, just the orange and that blue layer just screamed at me for this paper. And then we have, this was, I think, intended to be a journal card, but I made it a pocket and have 2 tags in there. Then over here is one of the other pockets we made in the video. It's a tuck here and it's a pocket here. So we have this tag, and then I need to put something in here. So let's put our new little specimen card that I just made on the specimen card video. You'll pop him in there. Then we have this flip that is one of the pages printed 2 per page. And I have it in here as a belly band with this fun library card with a fun fabric cluster on it and a nature card to go in behind there. And then lastly, we have that big pocket in the back as well. And it has a pocket tag with another library card for journaling. And there's also space on the back of that. So that is the Aviary of Whispers. And I have to find the other end of this. And then she will be ready to list, and it will be in my next Whatnot journal sale. The next sale coming up in Whatnot is a de-stash of supplies. There will be a few journals listed in the bin, but stay tuned. It'll be a few weeks before I do another journal sale. But thanks for hanging out with me. Go check out April Storm Studios' Facebook group, and please go get the Aviary of Whispers kit. It is just absolutely stunning and so fun to work with. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for whatever we have coming out next.